Hey ladies, I just recorded this video for like the fifth time. Let's see if I can get it right this time. So I don't know what I did last time, but I stopped it in the middle. I don't know. I'm a goofball. All right, you are working on your culture and babies assessment today. Miss Donaldson is here with you during fourth hour. And I know you guys are going to come in, check in with her, and then work on your assessment. Now, this assessment is not like other assessments. I think you should have a discussion with your classmates if you would like. So I'm not forcing you to. So call one of them up and have a discussion about question number one, which is a big scenario about what would you do if you were a company to make sure that you are taking care of people's culture and making misunderstandings less likely to happen. All right, so that whole discussion, I am okay. So you might just think of, hey, what kind of rules did you have on in your school, or excuse me, in your workplace, etc., that might have helped you with this kind of issue. Anyway, so here we go. The assessment is here. You're going to click on here. It's the cultures and babies. Let's go to the student view. All right. So you're going to pull this up, and there's your form, and you're going to call up your classmates for question number 2, and you're going to have a discussion about this, and then the rest of them you're going to do on your own. Every single kid in this class, all 9 of you, need to be doing the culture case study form, so everyone's turning in their own. Have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow. My mouth might be a little beat up. My son's mouth might be a little beat up. But hopefully all is well. And we have good news instead of bad news. Nobody likes the dentist, right? All right, you guys, have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.